Hello, promotions management online students. It's Dr. G. Can you believe we're at the end of week 4 and we are nosing our way into week 5? The semester is going so quickly. But I wanted to remind you that next week is time to start the branding module, which is a biggie. I have a lot of videos in there. I have a lot of content, and you have a huge assignment at the end called the brand evaluation assignment. And what you're going to do in this assignment is you are going to take the firm that you're working with or working on for the integrated marketing communication plans, and you're going to evaluate their brand. So I encourage you to go into that assignment right now before you start watching the videos. Download this workbook, because this is going to be your thinking tool on how to create your bigger project. So that said, this is a really great tool. It's a compilation of things that I have done in my career. And when I do consulting with clients on brands, I'm walking through the same process that you're going to do in this assignment. So note, have these handy when you watch the videos, because I'm going to refer to them and they're going to help you walk through what you need to know. So that's super. One other point. So in this module, there's going to be a couple of knowledge checks. It's kind of long, and there's going to have a storytelling activity, but the big branding evaluation assignment at the end is going to take some time. I know that many of you are working in groups, and what's important to know is that you should start making a plan of attack now so that you can get this assignment done by October 2nd, because trust me, it's going to take you a while. This isn't one of these things you're going to pull together on Sunday night, October 2nd, and think you're going to get it done by 11:59. So it's really important work too. Branding is one of the most important elements in marketing strategy, and this is a super assignment for you to actually use tools that you can use in your career tomorrow. So if you have any questions, feel free. Contact me, stop by my office if you're on campus, or we can set up a Zoom meeting, whatever works for you. So take care, everyone, and I look so forward to the brand evaluation assignments that are due on October 2nd. I know that sounds like a long time away, but trust me, it's not. Get your teams together, start working on it. Talk to you soon.